SONY Xperia XZ3, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the apps icon, then let's choose settings. Scroll down and choose system. Now let's choose about phone, and here you need to scroll down again in order to find and select the build number. So now let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. Let's go back, and here let's use advanced, scroll down and choose developer options. So here you can use a couple of developer features. For example, you can enable stay awake, you can, for example, set up the night mode, you can also allow USB debugging. Let's tap OK to do it. You can enable bug report shortcut, select mock location app, and use other developer options. If you would like to go back and quit this developer settings, let's use a bug key, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.